Hey everybody, it's Chad with Nobody Else's Auto. We are fighting the wind again today, just like we've been fighting for the last week or 10 days. So I apologize. We're going to have some wind noise. We're going to try to get around as much of that and try to get some cool stuff to you tonight. And hopefully the wind won't be terrible, but it isn't cooperating right now at all. So hopefully this isn't too bad. Please bear with us. We're going to bring you some cool stuff, and hopefully a couple days later, tomorrow or the next day, we'll get a calmer day and we'll get some more cool stuff shot. We'll start off today right here with this Dodge Polara. It's a 70 or 71 Polara. Basically a complete car. Looks like it was pretty much brought in here and shut off and parked. All the noses in it. Looks like somebody got the rear end out of it, but other than that, it's pretty much all still here. Four-door hardtop car. Everything inside of it's still all there and intact, like they just shut the key off and parked it. Come on around the back, it's got all the trim, cool looking back window, back bumper, tail lights, everything's still here. They basically parked this car, pulled the rear end, and here's where she sits. This was a Polara Brome. It was a fancy one back in its day. So a lot of good stuff on that. Somebody doing an old Polara, a lot of good stuff left here. Next to the Polara, we got another old Mopar. This is a 46 to 48 era Plymouth Coupe. Nose is gone out of this one. I do have several of these 46 to 48 era Plymouths in stock, so if you do need parts for them, give me a call. I've got a lot of them. I've got this coupe. I've even got a Woody in this body style, Woody wagon, or the remains of what was formerly a Woody wagon since all the wood's rotted off. Missing one door, all the dash and everything, all that stuff still in it. Come around the back, we're missing the trunk lid and the rear fenders. Since this is a coupe, I'm sure somebody needed that stuff. I do have several of these Mopar coupes in this era in stock, several late 30s up into about 1950. I've got 6 or 8 different Plymouth coupes in stock in that era. So, which encompasses a couple of different body styles. So give me a call if you need some of that stuff too. This car does still have some of the trim on it. The right door is still here. Front fenders are here. Got the cool little special deluxe emblems on the fenders. So, we got another Mopar for you yet tonight. Got to be careful as usual. We're tripping over junk around here that I got to get picked up and cleaned up. This car over here was a 51 or 52, I believe, New Yorker. Got the front clip sitting right here on the ground. Got the whole nose with the grill and everything. The hood's right behind it. Got cool New Yorker badges on the fenders. And here's what's left of the body, which not much. Motor's gone. I'm sure the car had a Hemi in it. I'm sure somebody snagged the Hemi out of it years ago. But I do still have several Gen 1 Hemis in stock also if you need some of those. And then somebody cut the whole back of this car off for some reason. I don't know if somebody needed a couch or a bar or what, but they whacked it all the way across the back. So there's no rear end at all. Got the dash stuff in it. So actually a lot more left there than what it initially looks like. So more cool stuff, lots of cool stuff coming up. I think we'll go ahead and cut this one short, just because we're fighting the wind today, and I hate the wind. It's killing us on this stuff, but we got to kind of bear with it. I didn't want to miss you guys again tonight, just like last week. I shot some stuff I wasn't happy with, but I don't want to forget you and skip the night. So anyway, got any questions, give me a call, 620-786-4428. And I'll have that posted on the page also. And give me a shout if you have any questions about cars or parts. Anything specific you want to see in any of those videos, just let me know. Throw it up in the comments, and I check those usually once or twice a week to see if there's anything anybody wants to see specifically. And stick with us. We'll have a new episode on Wednesday night of some more cool cars. And I appreciate you swinging by, spending a few minutes out of your evening with me. I can't tell you guys thanks enough for stopping and hanging out and spending a little bit of time with me and taking a look at some cool stuff. Lots more cool stuff to go. We're working our way down this row right through here of more cool stuff. And we'll see if we can get a little better weather here, hopefully tomorrow or Wednesday. So maybe Wednesday night and Friday night sounds a little better as far as the wind noise. And we will catch you on Wednesday. And coming up on the next episode, we'll start off with a Hudson Jet. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.